हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू फिनिश द लास्ट चैप्टर फ्रॉम ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट विच इज़ चैप्टर 18। तो आज हम लोग जो है चैप्टर 18 ख़त्म करेंगे और उसके साथ ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट विल बी कम्प्लीटेड टुडे इटसेल्फ। ठीक है, तो चैप्टर 18 वी डू नॉट हैव मच डिटेल्स, इट इज़ जस्ट द कंक्लूडिंग पार्ट। चैप्टर 18 जो है वो कंक्लूडिंग पार्ट है, जहाँ वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द a few people and what they did after the story ended, what happened to Oliver, what happened to Fagin, what happened to Rose and her family. We are going to learn about all these things. So let us start without much delay. So the name of the chapter, The Result. Okay, here we do not have plenty of details, but obviously it could be important for your choose the correct answers, because there are certain things here which might be asked as choose the correct answers. Now here we already know that monks had revealed many things. Mr. Brownlow had revealed many things in chapter 17. Mr. Brownlow ने बहुत कुछ जाना है regarding the letter, the will, or monks was given a final warning that you will get your property, you will get your money, but you have to promise that you will have to leave the city permanently and go to some other place. And monks na chahate हुए भी, monks did not want it, but he had no other way, so he had to accept it, and he left the place. Okay, so here you see in chapter 18, Fagin was tried in the court by jury. Jury means a group of judges. Jury means a group of judges. GUDGS. Okay, so Fagin was tried in the court by a group of judges and he was found guilty, obviously because of his many crimes. उसने बहुत सारे crimes किए, उसकी वजह से he was found guilty by the court and he was sentenced to die by public hanging. तो उसको publicly hang किया जाएगा. He will be publicly hanged. See, nowadays hanging does not take place in many countries. Capital punishment has been quite abolished from many countries. बहुत सारे countries से जो है हैंगिंग को जो है फांसी को बिल्कुल एबॉलिश उठा दिया गया है, मतलब इसको कैंसिल कर दिया गया है. बट स्टिल अगर किसी ने बहुत ग्रेव क्राइम कमिट किया है, किसी ने अगर बहुत सीरियस क्राइम अगर किसी ने कमिट किया, समबडी हैज कमिटेड अ वेरी सीरियस क्राइम, देन ही सेंटेंस टू डेथ, बट इट टेक्स प्राइवेटली. अभी जो डेथ सेंटेंसेस होता है वो बहुत प्राइवेटली होता है, इट इज़ नॉट डन पब्लिकली. बट 18th सेंचुरी में ऐसा नहीं होता, तो पब्लिक हैंगिंग होता था. अ ह्यूज क्राउड वुड बी देयर एंड इन द मिडल ऑफ द क्राउड, just like audience, there would be audience around and then the guilty would be publicly hanged. ठीक है, तो फैगिन को जो है publicly hang किया जाएगा. he was sentenced to die by public hanging. Now you see, when the sentence was given actually and there was still time for the hanging, Fagin was inside the jail only and Mr. Brownlow and Oliver visited Fagin. तो Mr. Brownlow Oliver को jail लेके गया. Mr. Brownlow took Oliver in the jail and they visited Fagin in the prison. And Fagin had become half mad because of the terror of death, क्योंकि उसको public hanging किया जाएगा, because he would be publicly hanged. That is why out of the terror, वो इतना डर चुका था, he was so frightened, Fagin was so frightened that Fagin had become half mad out of fear, out of terror of death. ठीक है, okay. And Fagin told Oliver. Now Fagin gave a very important information to Oliver. Okay, this might be asked in choose the correct answer. Please pay attention to this part. Fagin told Oliver the place where he had hidden the letter from Oliver's father to his mother. Okay, तो Oliver के पिताजी ने जो चिट्ठी लिखा था Oliver के मम्मी को, okay, वो actually monks ने उस Fagin को दिया था वो लेटर. Monks had given Fagin that same letter and Fagin had hidden that letter somewhere. Okay, now where is this somewhere? Fagin told Oliver that I have hidden the letter. Where? The letter was kept in a canvas bag which was kept or placed in a hole in the chimney. ठीक है, तो ये लेटर जो है ये एक कैनवस बैग में था, एक कैनवस बैग में है. दिस लेटर इज़ इन वन कैनवस बैग एंड दिस कैनवस बैग इज़ वेरी नाइसली प्लेस्ड इन अ होल. एक होल के अंदर है, कहाँ पे? घर के चिमनी के अंदर. okay, inside the chimney of that same room. कौन से कमरे में? दैट सेम रूम वेयर ओलिवर वॉज इम्प्रिजेंट फॉर सेवरल डेज. डू यू रिमेंबर बिफोर ओलिवर वॉज टेकन फॉर कमिटिंग द रॉबरी बाय बिल साइक्स एंड टोबी क्रैकेट? जब बिल साइक्स और टोबी क्रैकेट ओलिवर को चोरी करने के लिए लेके जाने वाला था, उससे पहले बिफोर दैट ओलिवर वॉज केप्ट इन वन स्मॉल रूम फॉर सेवरल डेज अलॉन्ग विथ चार्ली बेट्स एंड जैक डॉकिंस. तो जैक डॉकिंस और चार्ली बेट्स ओलिवर के साथ था. एंड जैक डॉकिंस एंड चार्ली बेट्स ट्राइड टू कन्विंस ओलिवर टू बिकम अ क्रिमिनल, बट ओलिवर रिफ्यूज्ड. तो चार्ली बेट्स और जैक डॉकिंस ने ओलिवर को बहुत कन्विंस करने की कोशिश की कि तुम क्रिमिनल बन जाओ और हम लोगों के साथ मिल जाओ, बट ओलिवर डिड नॉट अग्री टू दैट. तो दैट सेम रूम, उसी रूम के चिमनी के एक होल में, in the hole of a chimney of that same room, in one canvas bag that letter was kept. So now Oliver got the information about the letter. Okay, Fagin told everything to Oliver. Okay, Fagin was little he was already feeling guilty, but there was no chance now for Fagin to to be released from the jail. Sentence was given by the court. Sentence already court से आ चुका था, and he was definitely to be hanged. तो फैगिन का कंडीशन देख के आफ्टर सीइंग फैगिन्स कंडीशन, ओलिवर ऑलमोस्ट फेंटेड. ओलिवर ऑलमोस्ट बेहोश होने वाला था, एज ही वॉज सो हॉरिफाइड टू सी फैगिन इन सच अ रेचेड कंडीशन. तो फैगिन का ऐसा हाफ मैड वाला कंडीशन देख के, आफ्टर सीइंग दिस हाफ मैड कंडीशन ऑफ फैगिन, ओलिवर ऑलमोस्ट फेंटेड. ओके, ही वॉज हॉरिफाइड टू सी सच अ कंडीशन. ओके, नाउ अब वाई डिड मिस्टर ब्राउनलो ब्रिंग ओलिवर टू द प्रिजन? There is one reason. Let us learn the reason here. Mr. Brownlow had brought Oliver to the prison to let him see Fagin, who was suffering like hell because of his villainous nature and activity. So Mr. Brownlow brought Oliver to the prison because he wanted Oliver to see that if a person commits crime, if he is a criminal, if he is villain, if he is not of a good character, then what happens to him later? ठीक है, what kind of suffering that person undergoes, what kind of condition he undergoes if a person is not good. तो he wanted to teach Oliver this thing, that always be good in life, कि हमेशा जो है अच्छाई के रास्ते पे चलो. Always walk on the right path. Never be negative in your life. Okay, otherwise your condition will also be like Fagin only. Because of this reason, Mr. Brownlow took Oliver to see Fagin. Okay, and Oliver could never forget this dreadful experience. Oliver ने Fagin का जो condition देखा, the condition of Fagin that Oliver saw, Oliver could never forget this experience, this dreadful experience in his life. And Oliver is ऑलवेज ऑफ अ वेरी गुड नेचर. हम लोग पहले से जानते हैं कि ओलिवर एक तो बहुत अच्छा लड़का है, ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड बॉय. ओके, बट स्टिल मिस्टर ब्राउनलो वांटेड ओलिवर टू सी कि अगर तुम बुरा बनोगे, इफ़ यू विल बी अ बैड पर्सन, देन योर कंडीशन विल बी लाइक फैगिन, एंड इफ़ यू विल बी अ गुड पर्सन, देन यू नीड नॉट वरी एनीथिंग इन लाइफ. ओके, तो इसी वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीज़न ओनली, मिस्टर ब्राउनलो टुक ओलिवर टू द प्रिजन टू लेट हिम सी फैगिन. ठीक है, I hope you have understood. Now the very next morning, obviously Fagin was hanged outside in front of a huge crowd. Okay, तो बहुत huge crowd के सामने the next day. Okay, जिस दिन, the day Oliver visited Fagin, just the next day, the next morning, Fagin was hanged and in front of a huge crowd. And the crowd was obviously very happy and they shouted out of happiness. Okay, crowd बहुत खुश था that such a criminal like Fagin was hanged, and the crowd was given justice. Okay, next, monks का क्या हुआ? What happened to monks? Monks went to a distant part of America. Please note this down. Okay, monks कहाँ चला गया? वो अमेरिका के किसी distant part में चला गया. He went to a distant part of America with his money. उसको तो उसका पैसा मिल चुका था, 1600 pounds. Remember, 800 pounds of his mother and 800 pounds that belonged to him, that his father had left. So he took his money and he went to a distant part of America, but obviously his nature is of a criminal नेचर, ही हैज़ अ क्रिमिनल नेचर, सो ही टुक टू क्राइम अगेन, वो फिर से क्रिमिनल बन गया. एंड ही सून डाइड ऑफ सम डिजीज इन प्रिजन. तो ही वॉज कॉट बाई द पुलिस एंड ही वॉज टेकन टू जेल, बट इन साइड द जेल ओनली मॉन्क्स डाइड. मॉन्क्स जेल के अंदर ही मर गया कोई बीमारी की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ सम डिजीज ही डाइड इन साइड द जेल ओनली. तो द चैप्टर ऑफ मॉन्क्स इज नाउ परमानेंटली क्लोज्ड. द चैप्टर ऑफ फैगिन ऑल्सो परमानेंटली क्लोज्ड. ओके, दोनों मर चुका है, बोथ ऑफ देम हैव डाइड. ओके, Fagin was publicly hanged, and monks, he died inside the prison because of some disease. Okay, just remember this thing, that why did monks die. Okay, so in like choose the correct answer, it could be asked in this way, that how did monks die. Okay, and options will be like he died he died because of public hanging, he died because of disease, he died because he was beaten by the police. So out of all the options, which is the correct option, that monks died because of some because of some disease in the prison itself, right? Now what happened to Charlie Bates? Charlie Bates, you see, was so horrified by the death of Fagin and Bill Sykes. तो वो इतना डर गया, he was so much frightened by the death of Fagin and Bill Sykes, that he finally decided to live an honest life. He thought that honest life was the best life, and he decided no more criminal life. I don't want to fall in such a condition, in such a situation like Fagin and Bill Sykes, who died in such a dreadful manner, and for me honest life is the best life. So he decided to resume his life as an honest life. Okay, after he came back from the jail. In the beginning he met with many difficulties. तो शुरुआत में तो होता है, नो, you see, after a person is a criminal, no, when he takes to an honest life, many difficulties come in his way. तो एक क्रिमिनल लाइफ के बाद जब आप कोई ऑनेस्ट लाइफ लीड करना चाहें तो बहुत मुश्किलें आता है रास्ते में. ओके, इन योर वे मेनी डिफिकल्टीज कम. ओके, सो ही ऑल्सो, चार्ली बीट्स ऑल्सो मेट विथ मेनी डिफिकल्टीज, बट ही वर्कड वेरी हार्ड. He worked very hard, and initially he worked under somebody as a farmer's boy. So as a farmer's boy he started working under somebody, but later he gained experience as a farmer, and later he became a very happy farmer, a very satisfied farmer in Northamptonshire. तो वो नॉर्थहैम्पटनशायर में एक बहुत हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड फार्मर बन गया बाद में. Okay, in the beginning though he had many difficulties, but later he became a very happy farmer. And what is the name of the place? Northamptonshire. This is the name of the place. Remember the place, okay, and the spelling also, Northamptonshire. Okay. Now, 3 months later, Rose and Harry got married. Harry was the clergyman with a parish in a village. तो Harry जो है वो एक clergyman था. Okay, and Rose and Harry got married. Remember, Harry was a clergyman. Now, after 3 months, both Rose and Harry got married. Now, you see, Harry had loved Rose for a long time. Harry Rose को love करता था, बहुत साल पहले से love करता था, and for a long time he loved Rose, and he wanted to marry her. But Rose did not accept the proposal in the beginning. But Rose ने जो है beginning में उसको Harry का proposal accept नहीं किया था. क्यों? Why? Because she did not know about her family. तो रोज को अपने फैमिली बैकग्राउंड के बारे में पता नहीं था कि who is the mother of Rose, who is the father of Rose, who is the sister, brother of Rose. She did not know anything because we know she was adopted by Mrs. Maylie. So Rose did not know about her family background. So that is why in the beginning she did not agree, she did not accept Harry's marriage proposal. लेकिन बाद में afterwards we know that Rose was the daughter of the naval officer. Agnes Fleming is his sister. Oliver is she is the aunt of Oliver. So now Rose knows about her background. So now she said that yes, now I can marry you. So why Rose did not accept in the beginning? Because Rose did not wanted to bring dishonor to his family. So because Rose did not know her family whereabouts, that is why Rose ने कहा था कि no, because I do not know who my mother is or my father is. My mother could be a bad woman. My father could be a bad person. So I don't want to bring bad name to your family. I don't want to dishonor your family. Okay. But now after knowing everything, she happily accepted Harry's proposal. तो Harry के proposal ने उसने बहुत happily accept किया. ठीक है. Now Mrs. Maylie went to live with her son. मिसेस मेली, तो अब तो दोनों का शादी हो चुका था, रोज एंड हैरी. तो मिसेस मेली वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. शी वेंट टू लिव विद हर सन हैरी एंड रोज. रोज वॉज हर डॉटर इन लॉ नाउ, एंड फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ हिज लाइफ मिसेस मेली लिव्ड विथ हर सन एंड डॉटर इन लॉ. सो हैरी और रोज के साथ मिसेस मेली ने बाकी का ज़िंदगी जो है उनके साथ ही बिता दी, उनके घर पे. ओके, नाउ Mr. Brownlow, now very happy news for Oliver. Very, very happy news for Oliver. Mr. Brownlow adopted Oliver as his son. Mr. Brownlow ने Oliver को अपने बेटे की तरह, अपने बेटा मान के उसको Oliver को अडॉप्ट कर लिया. ओके, एंड विथ मिसेस बेडविन दे वेंट टू लिव नियर द मेली फैमिली. तो जहाँ पे रोज मेली, हैरी मेली, नाउ वी कैन कॉल हर रोज मेली. तो रोज, हैरी, मिसेस मेली, द प्लेस वेयर दे वे लिविंग, okay, Oliver, Mr. Brownlow and Mrs. Bedwin also went to live near that house only. Okay, this is the Mealy family and this is now Mr. Brownlow's family. So now both took their houses nearby, okay, near to one another. Okay, so again a very happy news. Rose can meet Harry and Rose, Oliver can meet Harry and Rose every day now. Okay, so all started living nearby only. Dr. Losburn also moved to the same village. देखिए, Dr. Losburn also moved to the same village. Dr. Losburn is like a family doctor to the Mealy family. So Dr. Losburn भी उसी village में चला गया. And Dr. Losburn and Mr. Grimwig had become very good friends. Okay, so Dr. Losburn और Mr. Grimwig बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बन गए. And both, Dr. Losburn visited Mr. Grimwig very frequently. Okay, because they both are old people, you see, so they met every day, almost every day. Okay, now Rose and Harry also gave birth to children. तो ऐसा हुआ कि कुछ महीने बाद Rose gave birth to Rose and Harry gave birth to their children, and Oliver's life thus ends with a happy note, with all his friends living close together in a small society. तो एक ही society में all of them started living. Mr. Brownlow adopted Oliver. Mrs. Bedwin was there, so they also lived. It's a small society, and here Mr. Brownlow, Oliver, Mrs. Bedwin. This is the house of Rose, Harry, and Mrs. Mealy. This is where Dr. Losburn lived. This is where Mr. Grimwig lived. Then Rose and Harry gave birth to children. So all of them lived happily in one society only. एक ही society में सारे लोग एक साथ रहने लगे. एंड दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ ऑलिवर्स लाइफ विच एंड्स सो हैप्पीली. तो आपने देखा द सफरिंग दैट ऑलिवर हैड वेंट had gone throughout his childhood. Okay, finally we see that Oliver's life has a very happy ending. तो ऑलिवर का लाइफ जो है एक बहुत हैप्पी एंडिंग में जो है एक हैप्पीली एंड हुआ लाइफ, एंड हम लोग भी बहुत खुश हैं, राइट, that Oliver's life thus ends with a very happy note, with all his friends, सारे उसके दोस्त एक साथ एक ही सोसाइटी में सारे लोग मिलजुल के रहने लगे. So this is all about Oliver Twist, and here is where the story ends. I have completed the entire book Oliver Twist, and now next we are going to discuss important questions and answers, and I'm going to bring for you practice sets of choose the correct answer. मैं अब प्रैक्टिस सेट लाऊंगा फॉर चूज द करेक्ट आंसर्स, एंड एवरी डे, ओके, almost every day we will solve these practice sets which will be very important for your SSLC examinations. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like and share my video. Invite your friends also to subscribe to the channel, to like and share my videos. Okay, so with love from Omnican, and all the best to all of you.